Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to capture screenshot in PC in a simple and easy way, so you can save anything on your screen quickly. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Press the PUT SCN, also called print screen, button on your keyboard, usually located on the top right side. This key copies the entire screen and saves it to your clipboard, which means it is temporarily stored and ready to paste. This method is useful when you want to capture everything visible on your screen at once. Step 2. Open Paint, Word, or any other application where you can paste the screenshot. These apps allow you to view and edit the captured image before saving it. This step is important because the screenshot will not be saved automatically using the print screen key alone. Step 3. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the copied screenshot into the opened app. Once pasted, you can resize, crop, or edit the image if needed. After that, click on File and choose Save to store the screenshot on your PC. Method. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Snipping Tool in the search bar. The Snipping Tool is a built-in Windows application that allows you to capture a specific part of your screen. This method is helpful when you do not want to capture the full screen. Step 2. Click on New inside the Snipping Tool, and then select the area you want to capture by dragging your mouse. After selecting the area, release the mouse button, and your screenshot will appear in the Snipping Tool window. Click on Save to store the screenshot in your desired location on your computer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.